Put it in the hole. Look what I found. Oh no.
No.
Hi guys, and welcome to a new special video on the channel. What's happening? The little Polo will be getting some well-deserved maintenance today. In 4 weeks the car needs to be on the boat and heading over to Losho and Roots Classic. But first we partnered with Meyle, driver's best friend, to give the car some well-deserved maintenance. We're gonna install a lot of parts. I'll show them to you in a minute. But first we need to get the car out and get the car on the bridge. Let's go!
Okay, let's go.
The Polo is back on the bridge. We have some great help from the one and only Passat boys. Hello. And we got a table full of nicely looking Meyle parts. We got some control arms, we got some bushings, we got some brake pads, we got some drum brakes, we got everything. Now we're gonna install all this stuff on the little Polo. So once it is in America, we'll have a smooth, enjoyable ride with it. Maybe this will save the engineering problem that Volkswagen created. Maybe it won't. We'll see. Don't want to push on the.
Oh, a little more.
Yeah, but I don't want to push on the exhaust. Watch out if it's
Yeah.
if it rotates.
That's good. Right there. That's good.
Yeah.
Cool.
Ah.
Perfect.
Volkswagen 0,
Here's your trophy.
RetroWheelz, Passat boys 1, and Meyle 1.
You just gotta give it a little. Oh, well.
You gotta give it a little hock too. Old one out, new one in. Thanks, Meyle. I'm gonna give it a clean.
Look at that.
And this is why we are doing the well-deserved maintenance. So one side is done, now it's time to start on the other side, and you can clearly see why we are doing this. A lot of old rusty parts, broken things, now it's time to get some more new parts on it. For the disc brakes, Meyle provided us some PD parts, and they are more performance based. Meyle has a normal series, what stands for OE quality. Meyle has a PD series that stands for more performance quality, and then they have a HD series that we don't have for the little Polo, but they stand for more reinforced parts. So whatever you need, Meyle is a place to go. Put it in the hole, and then we get it loose. Anti-clockwise. Shell Dog is once more making music. the time.
Got the extra long to pay.
No, did I? Oh, this one is not done. Oh, did I hit it? Oh, look at mine.
Oh no.
While Braden and Jace were away grabbing some food, because we all get hungry from working on cars, I conquered the little ball joint. It's now loose and I only hit my thumbs once, so that's a win.
There she goes. Thank you.
Thank you, Braden.
Don't thank me. Thank.
Let's put on some gloves and start the drum brakes.
Let's go.
Like that.
Oh,
Yeah. Gong, gong. Nope. Is that the one?
sorry.
Cut.
It was to test you. If you were paying attention.
Yes. Yes.
So what I think is really cool as a little nerd, I like that this new part from Meyle is machined and now dirty with my hands. But you can see it's a nicely machined part instead of this old ugly cast iron thing. So great job, Meyle. This is cool. Look what I found! Oh no! No, it didn't work. What? You gonna do it?
Yeah.
You're the strong one? Oh.
What he said.
Oh. So another good thing about Meyle is they gave us new spring.
Retainers.
I'll do this one again. Another good thing about Meyle is they gave us new spring rotators, so we can get rid of these old rusty ones and install nice and clean new ones. I will. On the floor. Wait, should we do it a little bit like this? We don't have a new plug, so I need to.
Be nice to it.
Yeah, I will get my hands dirty.
I can't take it right now.
Wait, you're missing. You're missing something.
Oh. See it. Oh. Smooth.
That's okay.
Here's your
I'll
reward.
take. Oh, look who's there. Oh, no.
Black.
Black is good. Done. Sexy.
Oh no! Is it hitting that? Is it that? On top of the carpet?
So, drum brakes are on, everything is on. Now it's time to bleed the brakes, and then the little Polo is ready to go off to the paint shop. Do you know how we see if someone is getting really serious? When you have the head on in race mode. Then you're really serious. Hold. And to finally end the project, we're ending with some new top mount bearings, and then we can take the car for a test drive. So mechanically the Harlekin is completely ready now. Now it's time to bring it off to the paint shop to get some little scratches and some little dents removed. So at low show it will be in perfect condition. Now it's time to go for a test drive. Who of your boys? Okay, that's the key gone. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Everything works. How is the car driving?
Great, like a dream.
Oh, and the brakes even work.
I have to put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Oh no. Whatever. This way? Here, we'll open it up. Scraping on the front left. This is the fun stuff.
That's the Polo strapped down. Now it will go to a paint shop to get all some little marks removed. And that's also the end of this special video. We did a lot of maintenance. I'll thank Meyle once more for all the great parts, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Brake work good.
Brake work good.